Hey St. Jude runners, guess what time it is? It's time for another unboxing. This time, it's a new piece of gear for my triathlon that I'm training for. Unboxing right after this. Hello again, St. Jude runners. Thanks for joining me for another unboxing. Tonight I'm going to be unboxing the replacement for this. This is my gyro or gyro or whatever you want to call it helmet. I've had this for a lot of time, a lot of years. It has been used and well used. I've got my mount for my Garmin Verb here on the top. Has a nice visor. It's been really comfortable, very well ventilated mountain bike helmet. I recently switched over from mountain biking. I got a Cannondale Slate to do some mixed gravels and road and a little bit of other off-road. And now I signed up for the Memphis 70.3, which is a half Ironman. And so I'm challenging myself to do a little bit more. And so I needed to replace this, which has been well used and abused, with something that's going to be a little bit more aerodynamic, a little bit more speedy, and get the job done. This I will still wear when I'm shooting some 360 video, which you can catch those on this channel. If you like to watch 360 video, watch it on your phone. It's a great experience. So, setting this down and out of the way. Now it's time to get into this box. I already opened the end of it, just so I wouldn't have to fiddle with a knife while I was sitting here. So, in here is my replacement. I found this on sale. It was a very, very good sale. Rudy project. It is the Boost 01 helmet that they came out with. It comes in a variety of colors, including yellow. I think there's a gold one as well. And I went back and forth between the yellow, which would match my Cannondale very well, and this one. This is the Boost. Get this box. The other thing that's in this box is just the packing slip. You don't need to see that. What you came for is this. These are the Rudy Project Boost 01 helmet. So we're going to unbox it. Let's see if I can't make it work. So the helmet slides out of the box very nicely. Nothing left in the box. It does have some information about protective. These helmets are for pedal cyclists, skateboarders, and roller skaters. You're not supposed to use them for motorcycles. And yeah, it's a Rudy project. They are based out of Italy, and these are their nice entry level. Actually, this one's not an entry level, but it's an upper level biking helmet. So these are manufactured in China. They're designed in Italy by Rudy Project. So it comes set up like this in a little box, plastic cover on it. I picked this up in the white red fluoro shiny color in the size large. I have a large noggin, as you can see, and so I needed something that was a good size. So it is nice and plastic wrapped. Pull that off of there. Take that. I did notice something on the inside of this box, just in case they are very good at detail. In here, there's a piece of foam right on the top. You can see that little black thing in there. That's a piece of foam that would be like on the inside of a helmet. Protect your head, a little sweat resistance. That way it keeps the box from rubbing on the top part of the helmet. So here is the helmet. This is the Rudy Project Boost 01. Now these are they're aerodynamic helmets. They have these ports here on the side. There's one on each side. And you can stick your sunglasses in, and they'll tuck into those little holes, and it'll hold your eyeglasses. It's called an eyewear dock. The vent here on the front, it comes in the box. There's these two little things right here. They're different vent covers. So let me see if I can pop these out and show you what the difference is. So this one's if you want a little bit more air, you can put it in there. If you want a little less air or no air and be super aerodynamic, this one is solid. So those come in this little box so that you can customize it at will. So looking at the helmet, It is very shiny. It's very smooth finish. It's a lot more quality than this one. This one's very plasticky, and you can, in certain points, you can push on it, and it has a gap in there between the plastic and the foam. It's also a very dense cell foam, which you can see there. It's like packaging material, I guess you could compare it. This one is that same dense, but it also has this plastic line right here, lining around the outside. There's this little groove here. I don't know if you can make it quite out on the camera, but this is for their visor, otherwise known as glasses. It actually clips in there so you can wear it, and it'll come down in front of your face automatically when you put the helmet on. It does have their nice retention system on the back. So it is called the RSR9 retention system. The aerodynamic kit, or the vent covers that I showed you earlier, the eyewear dock, I'm reading these off with a little slip. It has a Fast-Tech closure system for the buckle, a Pro Divider, which is these little things that make it go around your ear, nothing special there, and supposedly it has internal padding which you can change. The internal padding on this is very airy. It is extremely hard to see in there, but it's very airy. It has a nice line to it. The straps are really thin and nice in comparison to my old gyro ones, but that could be just due to age of it. It does have some nice venting on the top. Alright, so that is an up close. I'll do a spin of the entire thing. It's the back side, and the side, and the front. The reason I got it in this color, it would match my St. Jude jersey closer than the yellow to my bike. So that's why I got that color. Now this is where the little visor plates were, and so I'm going to get those off of there. Set those off to the side. And also in this little part that's for the bottom, it comes with, there's nothing left in there, so I'm going to set it over to the side. Also in there, it includes a bag, very nice Rudy project bag for your helmet. It says Elevate Your Performance on it. It's nice so that you can keep your helmet from getting totally jacked in the bag. This here is the instruction manual for it, as well as this, which would be, I'm going to guess that can change some of the inner piecing, so it's a little gray piece. I'm going to see what it says that's for, now that it piqued my interest. Maybe it just doesn't have any information on it. So the retention system is pretty easy. It's similar to the one that I had on my gyro. There's a little knob back here. You twist it and it tightens it and loosens it. And you can hear it click. So let's try it on. I'm going to pull that off. There's just the tag. And loosen this because I have, like I said, a big noggin. And out of the box, buckles on just fine. Buckles on, and it is not going to go anywhere. I can tighten this back down, and it is pretty snug and stays in place. I mean, I don't get any real rocking to it. So that is the helmet on me. I have to get used to the visorless part here. You can get the built-in visor in a number of different colors, depending on what you're riding in. So this came down to me, what I choose to bike with. I read some reviews on them, and some people liked them. Some people really did not like them. And so I chose not to purchase the visor because I didn't. The number of bad reviews to that visor outweighed the positive reviews. So that's the helmet with the blocker in, and there's the vented one. So I chose not to get the visor because a lot of people complain that once you put it down, sometimes it bumps your nose, and sometimes it just doesn't breathe and it fogs up pretty bad. I have a really nice pair of Oakley's that are road cycling glasses, so I'm not going to worry about having another visor built into this, although it is a good idea. A lot of helmets now are starting to do something similar to that, and they have good reviews and bad reviews, but I, for my try, want to have something that's just going to stick on my face the entire time, and then I don't have to worry about changing out. So that is the Rudy Project Boost 01 helmet, and I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. I look forward to using this as I train for my 70.3. I am doing a fundraiser for St. Jude, of course. Why else would we have this channel called what it is? So you can go to the link in the description and donate to my St. Jude fundraiser if you would like. If you like my videos, please give me a like. Give me a thumbs up, maybe a double thumbs up. Subscribe and hit that little notification bell so that you're notified when I have more reviews. I will have more gear coming out, including my bike that I'm going to be riding, which is a little bit unusual for a try, but it's what I got, and I'm going to make it work. Do a little bit of customizing to make it work for what I need. So looking forward to trying that out with my Rudy Project helmet and some other gear that I've got coming. Check out some of my other reviews on my channel. I try to do reviews on all the new gear I have, long-term and short-term, and unboxing. You can check out some of my 360 videos as well. Thanks again for joining me on the StJudeRnr channel. I appreciate all of the views and the comments. I will gladly have a great conversation with you in the comments if you have any questions about any of my reviews. Thanks again for joining me. Now go out and get your miles in.